Hello everybody, this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can, set up the VPN/proxy connection on it. So first of all, connect your tablet to the Wi-Fi, open up the Play Store, then at the search bar type in Turbo VPN. Once the new tab is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, you can launch it, then tap on the agree and continue button. Onwards, just skip the ad real quick. And tap on this caret icon in order for the Wi-Fi connection to get established. So now the Wi-Fi is on. You can change the server if you would like to. And once you are done and would like to turn the Wi-Fi off, tap on this cross sign over here, go for the disconnect option. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.